dryer is used for the best drying results in the conventional process. It is a double-walled cabinet with a single door. The gap between the two walls is filled with high-density fiberglass insulation to prevent heat transfer. Doors are provided with woolen rope. Aluminium trays are placed on the movable trolley. Tray dryer is available in capacities ranging from 10, 20, 25, 50, 100, 200 trays. Applications: tray dryers are ideally suitable for drying cashew, pista, almonds, onion, garlic, vegetables, pigments and dyes, nutrient powder, drying pharmaceuticals, granules, herbal powders, spices, chilies, etc. The material to be dried is placed on the trays. Other than the hot air generated by the electric coils, the other method is to employ the radiator coils that use steam for heat circulation. Tray dryer is provided with a control panel board with 3-phase. The heat in the dryer is produced by the heater along the side or at the base. There are 2 motors that have 1400 horsepower power with 3 phases, and each of them is placed on both sides and is used to rotate the fan. And we provide both fans with housing which is used to prevent loads on the motors and increase the lifespan of the motor. The inner fan comes with a safety grille and the motors come with a stand. There is a sensor placed inside the machines which measures the temperature.